Let me ask you something. If I give you 2 grams of hydrogen and 16 grams of oxygen, how much water can you form? If you can answer that confidently, congratulations. If not, today, we fix it permanently. Welcome to one of the most powerful topics in JAMB Chemistry, chemical combination and the mole concept. This topic is where calculations begin, but don't worry, we're breaking it down step by step. Part 1. Laws of chemical combination. There are 4 major laws JAMB expects you to know. Let's make them easy. Law of conservation of mass. Matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. If you start with 10 grams, you must end with 10 grams. Mass of reactants equals mass of products. JAMB trick. If total mass changes in a question, something is missing. Law of definite proportion. A compound always contains elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Water will always be hydrogen, oxygen equals 1 to 8. No negotiation. Law of multiple proportion. If 2 elements form more than one compound, the masses combine in simple whole number ratios. Example, CO and carbon dioxide. Oxygen ratios equals 1 to 2. Simple. Or law of reciprocal proportion. This one scares students, but listen carefully. If A combines with B, and A combines with C, then the ratio in which B combines with C will be simple and related. Don't panic. JAMB rarely makes it complicated. Part 2. Relative atomic mass. Everything is based on carbon-12. Carbon-12 is assigned mass 12. Relative atomic mass, AR, tells you how heavy an atom is compared to 1/12 of carbon-12. Example, oxygen equals 16, hydrogen equals 1, carbon equals 12. Memorize common ones. JAMB expects speed. Fire Part 3. The mole concept. Now we enter the heart of the topic. What is a mole? A mole is 6.02 times 10 squared cubed particles. That number is called Avogadro's number. 1 mole of anything contains 6.02 times 10 squared cubed particles. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, water molecules, electrons, sodium ions. Always that number. Key formulas you must know. Number of moles equals mass divided by molar mass N equals m. Number of particles equals moles times Avogadro's number. Gas volume at STP. 1 mole of gas equals 22.4 cubic decimeters. Memorize that. Example 1. How many moles in 18 grams of water? Molar mass of water. 2 times 1, plus 16 equals 18. Moles equals 18 divided by 18 equals 1 mole. Simple. Example 2. How many molecules are in 2 moles of water? 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 equals 1.204 times 10 squared to the power of 4 molecules. JAMB loves this. Part 4. Stoichiometry. Stoichiometry means using balanced equations to calculate quantities. Let's do one. Example, 2 moles of hydrogen plus 1 mole of oxygen will give 2 moles of 2H2O. Question, how many moles of oxygen are needed to react with 4 moles of hydrogen? Look at the ratio. 2 moles H2 need 1 mole O2. So 4 moles H2 need 2 moles O2. Done. Example 2, mass calculation. If 2 moles of hydrogen react, how many grams of water are produced? From equation, 2 moles H2 gives 2 moles hydrogen oxide. So moles of water equals 2. Mass equals moles times molar mass equals 2 times 18 equals 36 grams. Simple. Common JAMB mistakes. Forgetting to balance equation first. Using wrong molar mass. Ignoring mole ratio. Confusing mass and moles. Always balance equation. Convert to moles. Use ratio. Convert back if needed. Memory trick. Balance then convert then ratio then convert. Say it 3 times. Balance then convert then ratio then convert. JAMB hot areas. Expect questions on mole concept, empirical formula, molecular formula, mass volume calculations, gas volume at STP, law of conservation. This topic alone can give you 3 to 5 questions. Master it. If you understand mole concept, you are already ahead of 60% of candidates. In the next class, we're entering gas laws and kinetic theory, where temperature, pressure and volume start fighting each other. And I promise, by the end of that lesson, PV equals nRT will fear you.